This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a limited slip differential, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a low tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a rear window defroster, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and an automatic climate control system. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Metro Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 9000 Northwest 7th Avenue in Miami.